So here's what I'm looking at. The market just made a new low below 27.73s. And now what I want to see is if price can give us a pullback back up towards 28.11 and stay below it. If so, I'm going to take a sell if it can. We have the market opening in the next minute and a half. So I'm going to be patient and look how this plays out. Okay, so price pushed up over to 881. And so now what I'm going to see is if price can give us a pullback for a buy above 27.70 50s. And it also took out this high here too. So let's see what's about to happen. Let's make this chart cleaner than what it is. Let's be aggressive here. All right, and we are filled and out of the trade. All right, so really quick trade here, made $352, and I will take it and walk away. Price may just continue to go up, which I'm thinking that it will, but for now we will take the profits and walk away. So really quick trade today. So let me explain my system really quick. Once again, I trade TMP, stands for trend, market structure, and price action. So basically what this means is I'm always looking to see what the trend is doing first. Is the market moving down? Is the market moving up? And so as I stated, what I was first looking at before price made a new high was I saw the market was actually in the downtrend. This is a 2-minute time frame on NQ futures. And so I saw that the market had a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and then price made a lower low. And I was looking for price to stay below 28.1125, which is this inverted hammer here. So that's what I was looking for. Now, the market pushed back up, obviously, from what we saw, and this is the open. And so now I'm wanting price to stay above 27.70 which is this hammer here. Once again, you guys, I really do try to trade based off of a one candlestick method, meaning whatever that candlestick is at a high or a low, if I am going to be a buyer or if I'm going to be a seller, I want to do my best to trade below that particular high or trade below that particular low. It doesn't matter what the candlestick is. I know we like to name the candlesticks, and yes, that is important. But one of the things I'm personally looking for, and I've been trading like this for the past few years now in the forex market and now doing it moving over to the futures market. One of the things that I'm always looking for, whatever that candlestick is, it's just, can we stay below it or can we stay above it? And can we continue to go with the trend? That's it. It took me a long time to simplify this model. It took me a long time to get comfortable with this model. The way that I personally trade, my personal strategy. Even when I teach it, I still try to teach the same concepts. Does it work? Yes, it works. But you have to be the one to work it. Will it be successful 100% of the time? No. The main thing is mindset. This was an aggressive trade. Could I have entered it lower? Yes, I could have gotten a few more points out of this. Yes, I could have. Coulda, woulda, shouldas. That's how a lot of us trade in this market, but it was a good trade nonetheless. So I'm going to take the profits. I'm going to walk away. My goal right now is to pass this next combine and turn it into a funded account right now. And so we are almost there. I have less than 1,100 to go. And yeah, so prayerfully we can get this done and then, work towards the payout. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick live trade, taking it live with you guys on Top Step X. That's who I use for my futures account. I think they're really good. They're really quick and easy. I can still trade this on TradingView, which this is the platform that they use. And yeah, so I pray you guys have a really safe and good trading Friday. Be blessed.